Now let's move on to our adverbs. Rather than describing nouns, our adverbs describe our verbs. There are 4 types of adverbs when describing verbs. They are manner. These describe how things are done. 2 examples are quickly and cleverly. We have adverbs of place, describing where the action happened. 2 examples are here or there. We also have adverbs of time, describing when the action happened. 2 examples being now or recently. Finally, we have our adverbs of frequency, telling us how often the action happens. 2 examples being often or never. There's also another type of adverb, but here we're going to describe adjectives or other adverbs instead of verbs themselves. These are called adverbs of degree. If we were to take the adjective intelligent, we could easily say he's very intelligent, she's really intelligent, they're quite intelligent, or he's extremely intelligent. Now, for other adverbs, we could use the adverb quickly. He ran very quickly. She ran really quickly. They ran quite quickly. Or he ran extremely quickly.